The market is recently experiencing a downturn. Prices are undergoing correction. The fear index has significantly decreased. Analysts dropped their indicators. This bleeding may cease shortly. However, an odd occurrence has transpired with Shiba Inu. Approximately 613 trillion Shiba Inu is under scrutiny. Is this Ryoshi or another entity? What am I discussing? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Before proceeding, let us examine an update on AI5 Crypto, a program that asserts it utilizes AI for cryptocurrency trading. Their website states that it evaluates market movements and automates trading activities. AI has undoubtedly captured public interest for an extended period lately. Individuals are seeking beneficial resources for their own purposes. For some individuals, AI is already assisting with their daily activities. For others, circumstances did not provide favorable outcomes. Nonetheless, the technology in its whole warrants considerable consideration. Returning to the website, it provides two plans. Standard plan 112% yield in 24 hours. A premium plan offers a 125% return within 24 hours. This account previously deposited 300 USDT and withdrew 336 USDT after 24 hours. A further withdrawal was executed and successfully arrived in the wallet. The use of AI in trading is a subject of contention. Some contend that it may enhance efficiency and eliminate emotional influences in trading, but others assert that it is not consistently dependable. AI-driven systems adhere to established tactics. Nonetheless, they are not infallible and remain susceptible to market fluctuations. The cryptocurrency markets are very volatile, making it difficult to stay informed. Certain traders use AI-driven solutions for investment management, but others choose manual trading. Artificial intelligence is used across several sectors, including banking, to analyze data and automate procedures. However, security is also a significant consideration. AI5 Crypto asserts on their website that they utilize encryption and stringent security protocols and are registered in the United Kingdom. Nevertheless, it is essential to independently check such assertions. Investing in cryptocurrency has risks. Substantial rewards often include significant dangers, and such platforms should be navigated with prudence. Consistently do your own investigation and refrain from investing beyond your financial capacity to incur losses. This does not constitute financial advice, and I am not a financial counselor. Shiba Inu had difficulties today, failing to surpass its resistance as its price declined by 0.5% from the previous day. Although it is not the most favorable appearance, there exists a little silver lining. At one juncture, the decline was even more severe. However, Shiba Inu successfully regained some ground. Nonetheless, there is no embellishment. The trend has declined, and as anticipated, dread proliferated rapidly. Investors were apprehensive, uncertain whether to purchase, divest, or just remain inactive. Some anticipate that this is only a transient disruption, while others fear that the decline may persist. What is the current situation? What factors are contributing to Shiba Inu's current difficulties? Upon further examination, it becomes evident that Bitcoin is in a similar predicament. It saw a decline, plummeting significantly before somewhat recovering to about 92K. Given that Bitcoin often influences the whole cryptocurrency market, it is unsurprising that Shiba Inu and other altcoins are experiencing similar pressures. The whole market is seeing significant pressure. For the first occasion in 4 months, the digital currency fear and greed index has officially entered the fear zone. This is a significant change given the previously optimistic outlook. The market is now experiencing consolidation. Bitcoin has struggled to surpass the $100,000 threshold, however, is unable to maintain its position. Altcoins are seeing a gradual rebound, although at a sluggish pace. The altcoin market index has declined to 39, its lowest level in 2 months, indicating the significant strain these cryptocurrencies are under. The latest decline has not only impacted prices, but also disrupted market sentiment. Trader Charts on X asserts that this fear-driven market exhibits the highest level of caution since October. If traders start panic selling, the situation may deteriorate further, inciting more negative movements and feeble recoveries. Although Bitcoin has succeeded in minimizing its losses, it has nevertheless fallen beyond the psychological threshold of 100K. Notably, Bitcoin's lead in the market has exceeded 60%, indicating that even during periods of uncertainty, investors continue to rely on the leading cryptocurrency for stability. Concurrently, meme currencies have seen a significant decline. Their overall market capitalization has decreased to $68 billion, the lowest level in 3 months. The meme coin fear and greed index has declined to 27, indicating that traders are apprehensive. Shiba Inu is undoubtedly situated in the center of this situation. It has been grappling to escape the downward trajectory, and with apprehension permeating the market, Shiba Inu's resurgence seems challenging. If purchasers remain reluctant and selling pressure persists, Shiba Inu may continue to experience strain with the broader meme coin market. However, momentarily disregard the price decline. In relation to fear, here is something that may really astonish you. A rumor has spread rapidly throughout the internet, prompting significant discussion among individuals. An analyst has lately highlighted a quite astonishing observation. Nearly 61% of Shiba Inu's entire supply is concentrated in only 10 wallets. Indeed, Santiment's recent on-chain analysis indicates that the largest Shiba Inu wallets own a substantial portion of the supply, implying that a limited number of holders may significantly impact the price. This has caused anxiety among some. This is where issues get more intriguing. Some are inquiring whether these belong to Ryoshi. If Santiment's computations account for the inactive wallet used by Vitalik Buterin to incinerate his Shiba Inu, the figures are astonishing. The 10 largest holders own 613 trillion Shiba Inu, with a single wallet containing 410.43 trillion. That amounts to almost $6.15 billion. According to Arkham Intelligence, the remaining 203 trillion Shiba Inu are distributed across 9 more locations. Nearly 50% of Shiba Inu's entire supply is confined inside only 10 wallets. This is a significant matter, and not always in a positive context. A few number of holders has an extraordinary degree of influence on the market. If any one of these pockets suddenly chooses to liquidate a substantial quantity of Shiba Inu, the cost might plummet instantaneously, causing ordinary investors to panic. This level of focus renders Shiba Inu more susceptible to manipulation. Several major entities might readily influence the price with just one transaction. Let us be candid. No one wants to be subject to the whims of a select few influential investors over their financial assets. It engenders ambiguity. Uncertainty is always detrimental with cryptocurrency. Next, there is the element of trust. The Shiba Inu community has consistently been founded on decentralization and empowerment of the people. However, while seeing such figures, one cannot not but question who is really in command. Does the concentration of supply in a few wallets contradict the concept of Shiba Inu as a community-driven token? This question is undoubtedly provoking discussions. Some individuals are dismissing it, claiming that it only involves exchanges retaining substantial quantities for liquidity purposes. Conversely, some exhibit more skepticism. Are some wallets covertly interconnected? Is a synchronized sell-off feasible? What if one of these holders chooses to abandon Shiba Inu? Currently, it is only conjecture. Given Shiba Inu's current difficulties in maintaining stability, the prospect that a few of wallets might influence market dynamics is a consideration that investors must not overlook. Before the fear could escalate, Lucy, a prominent figure in the Shiba Inu society, promptly intervened to clarify the situation. She dispelled the conjecture, telling them that these substantial assets were not indicative of a clandestine scheme or a reason for concern. They were only exchange wallets containing Shiba Inu for trade reasons. Essentially, it is not the case that a select group of enigmatic persons is clandestinely accumulating Shiba Inu in anticipation of a sudden market collapse. These represent the wallets of major platforms overseeing liquidity, indicating that the real danger of an abrupt sell-off is far lower than previously anticipated. However, in the realm of cryptocurrency, fear disseminates more rapidly than factual information, resulting in widespread skepticism. Some continue to ponder, what if? Positively, despite the abundance of food, the Shiba Inu population remains resilient. Their commitment is manifesting significantly. Approximately 15 million Shiba Inu tokens were incinerated today. The Shiba burn tracker indicates that around 15 million Shiba Inu have been irrevocably eliminated from circulation. Consequently, the burn rate has surged by nearly 470% within just 24 hours. This is a significant advancement, demonstrating that against uncertainties, the community continues to progress, striving to diminish supply and enhance Shiba Inu's long-term worth. In the broader context, 15 million Shiba Inu is a mere fraction of the whole supply. However, the key concern here is the dedication. The community's continued token burning, despite market volatility, demonstrates the commitment of Shiba Inu holders. It serves as a reminder that Shiba Inu transcends the status of a mere meme coin. It has a dedicated and motivated community supporting it, and here is the crux. Notwithstanding the prevailing uncertainties, the Shiba Inu society seems unfazed. Analysts continue to emit notably optimistic signals, generating considerable enthusiasm among individuals. Recent projections indicate that Shiba Inu may see an increase exceeding 600% from its last all-time high. Some experts believe it may persist in ascending during the next decade. By 2030, a 3,500% growth is anticipated, with even more bullish forecasts of 3,600% by 2040. Some researchers project that Shiba Inu may see a 63,000% increase by 2047 for ambitious investors. In 2040, a significant rally instills optimism for the community's future. The journey is long, but these figures sustain hope. You may be contemplating how to handle your profits when the anticipated bull run occurs and the price goals are realized. What is the status of taxes? Remarkable timing, since significant news has emerged today that may substantially benefit cryptocurrency investors, especially the Shiba Inu society in the long term. The Czech Republic has recently announced a significant development. President Petr Pavel enacted legislation that exempts cryptocurrency users from taxation on long-term capital gains. Indeed, there are no taxes on your long-term cryptocurrency gains, which is significant. This new legislation is a component of the digitization of the Financial Markets Act and is nearing the finish line of the legislative process. The formal publication is anticipated within the next week or two, and given that the Czech Republic is a member of the European Union, this may have significant ramifications for cryptocurrency investors around the area. For the Shiba Inu society, this may result in less anxiety around profit-taking in the future, particularly if Shiba Inu attains substantial price objectives. If you own Shiba Inu in anticipation of substantial returns, this action by the Czech government may provide more grounds for optimism for the future. In the long-term perspective, the outlook for Shiba Inu is rather robust. In light of the pervasive fear-mongering, it is essential to concentrate on the positives, as Lucy articulated in her latest tweet. She encapsulated it succinctly by stating, "Bring it on." Lucy's assertion is correct. While some may engage in psychological manipulation, pursue dominance, or incite conflict against Shiba Inu, the community continues to develop. Shiba Inu is technology-oriented, and with several forthcoming enhancements anticipated, much potential remains. Currently, the market may seem precarious due to price declines and pervasive anxiety. Nonetheless, Lucy's message emphasizes that the basis of Shiba Inu is being reinforced every day. The community is diligently engaged in development and growth, which is ultimately what is significant in the long term. The market will vary, although the foresight and diligence invested in Shiba Inu's future will provide benefits in the long term. Let us maintain our concentration on the overarching perspective and concentrate on the affirmative. What is your perspective on this matter? Please leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.